Now let's do another problem. It is finding the shortest path problem. Problem is like this. Question is like this. A sugar jar is in the form of a circular cone of base diameter 60 mm and a height 70 mm. An ant starts moving from the left end of the base and reaches its starting point after moving around the cone. Find the shortest path the ant traveled through the surface of the cone. Represent the path in top and front views of the cone. This is the question. This is the shortest path problem. Here, just consider a cone. Simply just consider a cone where a particle, here it's an ant, starts moving from the left end of the base. See, suppose this A is the left end of the base and is starting from this point and it's moving through the surface and reaches to the starting point. This is the path followed. This orange color path is the particular path followed by the ant. We have to find whether that path is the shortest path. For that, we have to draw the development of the cone, and the shortest path always will be a straight line in development. See, if I draw the development of the cone, as you know, as I said earlier, the development of the cone will be like this. There is a sector angle theta and arc radius L. You know this. The end generator length is arc radius. And if you need to find the shortest path to the surface, the starting point is A, and here it reaches again point A. If you draw a line connecting with 2A in development, this will be the shortest path through the surface of the cone. First we have to draw the development of the cone, then draw the shortest path and represent the same shortest path in front and top view of the cone. That is our question. First we have to draw, as in the previous case, we have to draw the simple position. We are going to do that. Just draw the simple position. As you know, here diameter is 60 mm, so that I need to take radius as 30 mm. Take radius 30 mm. Draw it here. Now divide the circle into 8 equal parts. You have to divide the circle into 8 equal parts, as you know. And name it A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This point is H, and complete the front view also. Just complete the front view also. height of the cone is 70 mm is given in the question. Name A dash, this is H dash B dash, G dash C dash, this is F dash D dash, this is E dash. And draw that generator also. Always remember this generator should be thin line, end generator should be a thick line. Now this point is O dash, in top view this is O. Now we have to develop the cone. Before that, we need to find out angle theta. Angle theta, here it is OE divided by O dash E dash into 360. This is, as you know, the radius of the circle is 30 mm, so OE is 30 mm divided by the length of the end generator. Here it seems to be 75 into 360. While doing this, it will be around 144 degree. By calculating this will be around 144 degree. So just if you get fraction by calculating this thing, just take the nearest value, no problem in doing that. Now we will just draw the development. First, I am just drawing a line 75 mm. See where I need to draw this thing. 144. And the included angle of the sector is 144 degree. Take that 144, 120, 130, 144 will be like here, somewhere here. So it is not able to draw that portion, so we'll do it here. .44 here. See, now just complete the sector. So just complete. This is the development of the cone. You have to divide this into 8 equal parts. Sorry. So divided exactly into half. Now take any radius to divide this, no problem. The same radius you have to use on both sides. See, again. Now just take this distance and mark other sides also. All these points you just draw. You see, now just draw the development and divide that development into 8 equal parts. Now just name it. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, again E. Now as you know, the shortest path will be a straight line between these two A's. Starting point is at this A, and after moving around this surface, it returns the original starting point. So A to A will be the shortest path. You can see this orange line represents the shortest path in development. This is the length of the shortest path through the surface of the cone. You can see this. It's around 14.5 centimeter, 145 centimeter, 145 mm. Length of the shortest path is around 145 mm. Now we have to represent all these points in front view and top view also. For that, we just divide. So you have to mark the cutting points on these generators. Say point A is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, here it is 1. And again you have to transfer these points to the front view and top view of the cone. You know, all these lines are true length generator. While transferring it, you have to transfer it to the corresponding end generator, that is a true length. From that line, you have to transfer to the corresponding line, corresponding generators. Suppose point 2 is on HO. As you know, point 2 is on HO. Here you have to transfer 2 on O dash E dash and transfer that 2 from here to HO. That's what we need to do. Before that, you just transfer all these points. 2 and 8 will be same. This is a point for 2 and 8. Three and 7. Now 4 and 6. 4 and 6, 5. So this is 4, 6, this point is 5. Now you just transfer all these points to corresponding line. You know, 2, 8 will be here, 3, 7 here, 4, 8 here, 5 is here at point. You see, this will be your actual 2, 8. This is your 3, 7. This point is 4 and 6. This is 5. Now join all those points. You can see you will get the shortest path like this. Now you have to represent all these points in top view also. Simply from front view, just draw the top view. For 3 and 7, you know, this point is 2, this point 2, this is 8, 4, 6, this is 5. 3 and 7 you have to transfer to the end generator. Place is on the horizontal line. From center, take that distance. So this is point 7 and 3. You know, this 3 and 7 I cannot transfer to G and C. That is why I just transfer here 3 and 7 is this point. Then project this 3 and 7 to the OE top view. From here rotate it to this straight GO as well as CO. Now this point is 1. Join all these points. Will obtain the curve like this. So this is the representation of the shortest path in top view. Here it is the representation of shortest path in front view. Thank you.